Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Daily Information, and do not forget to subscribe, like and comment. And today we are going to see is about a new word. So let us start the video. And the word is install, install. So let us see its meaning. Place or fix equipment or machinery in position ready for use. So let us see its example. We are planning to install a new computer. And another word we are going to see is internal. 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 So let us see its meaning. Its meaning is very simple, that off or on inside. So let us see its example. The example is that the tube had an internal diameter of 1.1 millimeter. So here our video ends. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and comment if there is any mistake. See you all in next video.